Welcome to my channel. Draw a rectangle on artboard. Add new layer. Select a pen tool and draw a shape on artboard. Choose a suitable color. Adjust the shape size. Using selection tool, select a pick and drop on shape. Choose pick and send backward. Choose a pick and adjust to their shape. Both select, then make clipping mask. Choose a pick, click on opacity to decrease. Choose a polygon tool. Then using selection tool, rotate polygon like benzene. Choose all anchor points using direct selection tool. Then less rounded. Choose a pick and decrease size holding shift. Choose a benzene, click object, then click path, then offset path. Note down these values. Then separate another shape. Then another pick, place on here, then both select. And increase stroke value. Then both select, right click, then group and place on here. And adjust on artboard. Then pick and group, choose supple stroke color. Then choose a polygon tool and draw a small shape like benzene. Fill the color and select all anchor points, then less rounded. Then draw as such shape like. Then draw as such shape like. Choose a pick, then right click, then click on reflect. Then click on copy. Then adjust size. Then adjust size. Then right click, then click on group. Add a new layer. Then choose a text tool, then right here and place on shape. Then make group and adjust on artboard like this. Then choose a text tool and write your company name, etc. Download QR code using rectangular tool, draw a background with suitable color. Then select both and make group, then decrease size. And adjust on artboard. Choose a circle tool and draw, then put gradient. And suitable color, pick and adjust. Pick different suitable color. Choose a text tool and choose suitable color. And adjust size to the circle. Choose a text tool and choose suitable color. And adjust size to the circle. Choose a text tool and choose suitable color. And adjust size to the circle. Choose a text tool and write like this. Choose a text tool and write like this. Choose a rectangle tool and draw. Select text, then click arrange, then bring to front. Then choose a suitable color. Choose a text background color. Using selection tool, both select, then right-click, then group. And adjust on background. Using selection tool, decrease size with holding shift. Using selection tool, decrease size with holding shift. Click on text tool and write, then choose font size. And decrease size and adjust on artboard. Click on text tool and write, then choose font size. And decrease size and adjust on artboard. Right-click on polygon tool and rotate like benzene. Right-click on polygon tool and rotate like benzene. Choose a shape, fill the color. Click on Object, click Path, then click Offset Path. Note down these values. Choose Pick, decrease size using selection tool. Choose Pick, decrease size using selection tool. Then hit place on here, adjust pick on shape, then select shape. Then right-click to arrange to bring to front, both select, then right-click to make clipping mask. Choose a pick and place on here. Choose a pick and place on here. Adjust on artboard. Draw a shape like this and download PNG pics from Google. Choose a text tool and write phone number, address, etc. according to their requirements. Selection tool, rotate 180 degree. Using Selection tool, increase size and pick suitable color. Using Selection tool, increase size and pick suitable color. Using Selection tool, pick the image and place here, and adjust on artboard. Insert a text box and write about service or company, adjust size, and pick suitable color.